Meaning of gibber.
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 Gibber. The term gibber can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to speaking incoherently or using nonsensical language, often associated with someone who is delirious or intoxicated. Alternatively, it can refer to a type of rock formation found in arid regions, characterized by smooth, round stones on the surface. In either case, the word implies a lack of structure or coherence. Therefore, the interpretation of gibber depends on the specific usage and the relevant context.